Okay, dear students, observe the question. Let M is equal to the 2 by 2 matrix, that is sine power 4 theta minus 1 minus sine square theta 1 plus cos square theta cos power 4 theta is equal to alpha I plus beta M inverse, where alpha is equal to alpha theta and beta is equal to beta theta are real numbers and I is the 2 by 2 identity matrix. If alpha star is the minimum of the set alpha theta such that theta belongs to 0 to 2 pi and beta star is the minimum of the set beta theta such that theta belongs to 0 to 2 pi, then the value of alpha star plus beta star is the first option first option is minus 37 by 16. Second option is minus 29 by 16. Third option is minus 31 by 16. And fourth option is minus 17 by 16. Okay. Now, this is the question from JEE Advanced 2019 from paper 1. From first section, this is the straight objective question. Now, we have to solve this question. Okay. Right. Solution for this one. Take the matrix relation, that is M. Is sine power 4 theta minus 1 minus sine square theta 1 plus cos square theta and cos power 4 theta. That's all. Now, where we are given alpha I plus beta M inverse. Now, this is the given relation where I is equal to 1 0 0 1. Since that is the identity matrix of order 2. Now, M inverse is equal to adjoint of M by det M, determinant M, adjoint M by det M. Now, to find det M, so determinant of M we have to find. Now, product of these, that is AD minus BC, sine power 4 theta, cos power 4 theta, minus plus 1 plus sine square theta plus cos square theta plus sine square theta into cos square theta. That's all. Now we have to simplify this one. Here sine square theta plus cos square theta is nothing but 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. That's why 2 plus sine square theta, sine square theta, cos square theta plus sine power 4 theta into cos power 4 theta. That's all. Sine power 4 theta into cos power 4 theta. That is the value of M. That means det M. That's why. So this is det M. Now take the matrix relation, that is M is equal to alpha I plus beta M inverse. That's why from this, what is M? M is the given matrix. Sine power 4 theta minus of 1 plus sine square theta. Here it is 1 plus cos square theta, cos power 4 theta. Cos power 4 theta is equal to what is the relation there? It is alpha I. Alpha I means what? Alpha into this one. That is alpha 0 0 alpha plus this is beta M inverse. Beta into M inverse. What is M inverse? M inverse is adjoint M by det M. Adjoint M by det M. That is det M here. Adjoint of this matrix, we have to write the adjoint. Adjoint of A, B, C, D is nothing but D minus C minus B minus C A. That's why here cos power 4 theta 1 plus sine square theta and minus 1 minus cos square theta. Here it is sine power 4 theta. That's all. Now comparing these corresponding matrices. Now here it is sine power 4 theta is equal to alpha plus beta by det M into cos power 4 theta. Alpha plus beta by det M into cos power 4 theta. This is one relation, and comparing the corresponding these terms, minus of 1 plus sine square theta is equal to beta by datum, since 0 plus this one, beta by datum into 1 plus sine square theta. That's why from these two gets cancelled. That's why here it is minus, that means beta is equal to minus datum. Beta is equal to minus datum. That's all. Now from this, in place of beta minus datum, so sine power 4 theta is equal to alpha minus cos power 4 theta. Now from this, alpha is equal to sine power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta. Are you clear? Alpha is equal to sine power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta. So sine power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta is nothing but 1 minus sine square theta cos square theta. That is 1 minus sine square theta into cos square theta. That's why this can be right. That means alpha is equal to 1 minus, this is 1 by, since 1 minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta, since it is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. That's why 1 minus 2 sine square theta into cos square theta. That is 1 minus 1 by 2 into, here multiply and divide by 2. Then it is 4 sine square theta cos square theta is nothing but sine square 2 theta. That's why it is sine square 2 theta. That's all. So from this, alpha star is equal to minimum value of this one, 1 minus 1 by 2. Since here 0 less than or equal to sine square 2 theta by 2 less than or equal to 1 by 2. That's why alpha star is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. Are you clear? That's why alpha star is equal to, so alpha star is equal to 1 by 2. That's all. Alpha star is equal to 1 by 2. Now we have to find beta star. So what is beta? Beta is equal to, here from beta is equal to minus of datum. What is that? 2 plus sine square theta cos square theta plus sine power 4 theta into cos power 4 theta. That's why here also we have to write this one according to the multiple and submultiple angles. Here it is minus of 2 into 2 plus minus of 2 plus, here it is sine square theta cos square theta is nothing but, that is sine square 2 theta by 4. Here it is sine power 4 theta cos power 4 theta is nothing but sine power 4 2 theta by 16. That's all. Same here, these maximum values, this is 1 by 4 and this is 1 by 6. Since here we know that 0 less than or equal to sine square 2 theta by 4 less than or equal to 1 by 4 and 0 less than or equal to sine power 4 2 theta by 16 less than or equal to 1 by 16. We have to write those values. So that's all. That's why beta star is equal to minus of 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 60. Now we have to take LCM. This is 30. This is 16 LCM. 32 plus 4, 34, 36, 37 by 60. That's all. Beta star is minus 37 by 16. Now required alpha star plus beta star is equal to 1 by 2 minus 37 by 16. That is minus 29 by 16. That's all. That is in second option. Minus 29 by 16. That's all. That's why this is the question from section 1 in advanced paper 2019 paper 1, right? Okay.